Welcome back to this video. In this video, I will show you on how to allow camera access to Facebook Messenger. So let's see. But before we dive into the tutorial, if you find this tutorial useful and you are very new to this channel, remember click on that subscribe, turn on the notification bell for more useful tutorial like this. So with that being said, let's get started. The very first thing you need to do is to head over to your phone settings. So I'm going to click on my phone settings right here. Then I'll get to your phone setting, come to the top right here, under the search right here. What you need to do is to simply type in permission. Then make sure you click on permission manager. Then click on proceed to permission manager right here. Then you'll be taken right here. Next thing you need to do is simply click on camera. Then you have to simply scroll down all the way down and make sure you look for messenger, and you have it right here. So what you need to do right here is to click on allow while using the app. It's as simple as that. So basically, this is how to simply allow access to camera on Messenger. I hope you really got value for this video. If you find this video useful, give this video a big like, and also remember to subscribe to the channel for more useful tutorial like this. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye for now.